Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a step-to-step tutorial on how to delete your Cooking Craze account. So let's get started. First, open your Cooking Craze application on your preferred device. Once you're inside this main menu, tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. In the pop-up, select the button where it says delete my account at the bottom of your pop-up menu. Now go ahead and read the warning message. Deleting your account will delete all of your purchases, progresses, and profiles in each of your Big Fish games. Tap on the Yes Delete My Account button to confirm deletion. Now, once you make sure to delete your account, you will not be able to recover your progress, you will not be able to reverse the deletion action, and your game will be permanently reset. Select Yes, Delete My Account again to confirm, and then your account deletion process has been submitted. It may take up to 14 business days for your account to be deleted. Tap on Done, and that is it. That was a quick and simple process on how you can delete your Cooking Craze account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.